make donation from YouTube strikes. YouTube has introduction a feature called strike that allows content creators to raise funds for charitable causes through their videos. With the love power of a large audience, YouTube can make positive impact by encouraging their viewers to donate to a charity of their choice directly from the video description of interactive card in this guide. While walk you thought the simple step how to make a donation from YouTube strike, enabling you to contribute to meaningful cases and support those in need. Set up your YouTube channel. Before you can utilize the strict feature, you need an active YouTube channel. If you have not already create and customize your channel to make it applying to your audience, enabling monetization. To access the strike feature, you must first enable monetization on YouTube channel. This requires meeting YouTube's eligibility requirements such as having at least 1000 subscription and 4000 watch hours within the past 12 months. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Joining the YouTube Partner Programs allows you to access various monetization features include string once you meet the eligibility criteria, apply for YPP and wait for approval. Activate the strike feature. After joining YPP, enable the strike feature by going to your YouTube Studio dashboard navigation to the monetization tab and follow the instruction to set up donation through step. Choice a charitable organization. Select a charitable organization or non-profit to support with your donation. YouTube provide a list of eligible non-profit or you can add your preferred charity if it meets YouTube criteria. Customize your fundraise. Personalize your fundraise by writing a compelling description about the cause you are supporting. Share with why it's meaningful to you and explain how views contribution can make a difference. Include call to action. Encouraging your audience to participate by editing calls to action in your video and video description. Ask viewers to donate to the fundraisers through the strike feature and explain how their supports will impact the cause positively. Monitor your fundraisers. Regularly check your YouTube studio to monitor the program of your fundraiser. Keep your audience updated on the total amount raised and express gratitude for their contribution. Promote your fundraisers. Spread the word about your fundraiser through your social media channel, community tab, or other videos. Engage with your audience and let them know that their sports can make a significant impact. YouTube's tech future empowers content creators to use their platform for good by raising funds and awareness for important causes. By following these steps, you can set up a successful donation campaign and make a positive change in the lives of those in need. Remember, your influence as a YouTube can be a force for good to seize the opportunity to create a meaningful impact with your content and encourage your viewers to join you in making a difference throughout the strict future. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and tech related content.